Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and Mower. Figured I'd show you Home Depot's 2025 lineup here at the old John Deere S140 48-inch deck on this one. Adjustable cutting height. You got your fuel gauge down there. Engine-wise, 22 horsepower. I'm going to say that looks like a Kohler to me, but it's labeled John Deere anyway. Plastic hood on that. I'm not sure how I feel about that. And 20-inch rear tires. Hydrostatic transmission on that one. And this one as well. Down here we do have a 100 series. That's kind of their entry level. That also has, though, that's a plastic. I'm not sure how I feel about that plastic there. This one has a Briggs & Stratton 17.5. It does have a cast iron front axle, which is nice. Hydrostatic as well. Does have an hour meter on there, which is kind of cool. Seat's a little less of a back support on this seat. $2,300. The S140 starts at 27 and goes up to 28, it looks like. They are all hydrostatic. Not sure how I feel about where the fuel is either on these things. Kind of can't get to it. You have to flip the seat up in order to fill the thing up, you know? Not sure. I don't like that as much. Anyway, I figured I'd show it while I was down here. Short video, but they're pretty cool looking. John Deere green. Till next time, my friends, take care.